Compare petrol and hybrid vehicles. Discuss the advantages and limitations. Give a choice which one do you prefer and why. By comparing petrol and hybrid vehicles, petrol vehicles use an internal combustion engine that runs on gasoline. The engine combusts petrol to generate power, which is transmitted to the wheels through a transmission system. In hybrid vehicles, vehicles combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor and battery pack. They can also operate on petrol, electric power, or a combustion of both. The electric motor assists the engine during acceleration and can also power the vehicles solely on electricity at the power speed. In fuel efficiency, petrol vehicles typically have lower fuel efficiency compared to hybrids. They rely solely on the combustion of petrol, which result in higher fuel consumption and lower mileage. In hybrid vehicles, they offer better fuel efficiency due to their ability to switch between the petrol engine and the electric motor. The electric motor assists the engine reduce petrol consumption and increase overall mileage. In emission, petrol vehicles emit greenhouse gases and pollutants like carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides. They contribute to air and contribute to climate change. In hybrid vehicles, they produce fewer emissions compared to petrol vehicles. When running on electric power, they produce zero emission. Even when operating with the petrol engine, hybrid systems are designed to optimize the fuel combustion and reduce emissions. In driving experience, petrol vehicles often provide a similar driving experience with acceleration and engine noise that some of the drivers may enjoy. They tend to have wider range of models and options available, including sports car and high performance vehicles. Hybrid vehicles often Hybrid vehicles offer a quieter driving experience, particularly when running on electric power. They often have smooth acceleration due to electric motor torque. However, some hybrid models have proper fuel efficiency over sportive performance. In cost-wise, petrol vehicles generally have a lower upfront cost compared to hybrids. Additionally, maintenance and repair costs of petrol engines are often more affordable due to the well-established technology and availability of parts. In hybrid vehicles, vehicles typically have a higher initial purchase price due to the additional technology, including the electric motor and battery pack. However, the cost saving can be realized over a time through reducing fuel consumption. In infrastructures, petrol vehicles benefit from a well-established refueling infrastructure with petrol stations widely available in most regions. Refueling is relatively quiet and convenient. Hybrid vehicles can refuel at the petrol stations like conventional vehicles. Additionally, they offer advantages of being able to recharge their batteries through electric charging stations, providing an alternative fueling option. This is the images of petrol vehicle and hybrid vehicle. In petrol vehicle, we can see only fuel tank, and in hybrid vehicle, we can see fuel tank and as well as battery. And we can see all other components here. Advantages and disadvantages of petrol and hybrid vehicles. Advantages of petrol vehicles: lower upfront cost, widespread availability of petrol station, simple powertrain technology with fewer parts to maintain, long range than hybrid vehicles, no need to plug in or charge the vehicles. Petrol vehicles tends to be more reliable. Petrol vehicles have higher towing capacity, easier to replacement parts of mechanics for petrol vehicles. Petrol vehicles tends to have better performance and acceleration. Disadvantages of petrol vehicles: higher emission, lower fuel efficiency than hybrid vehicles, more frequently refueling is required, higher fuel cost, no electric only mode which reduce fuel efficiency, more harmful to environmental, higher maintenance cost for older petrol vehicles, more noise and vibration, less resale value. Advantages of hybrid vehicles: higher fuel efficiency, lower emission, ability to operate in electric only mode, which reduce fuel consumption and emission. Regenerative braking helps to charge the battery while braking. Lower fuel cost, built from lighter materials, best performance and acceleration than some petrol vehicles, lower maintenance cost for newly hybrid vehicles, fewer harmful emissions than petrol vehicles, higher resale value. Disadvantages of hybrid vehicles. They are comparatively more expensive, limited availability of charging stations for plug-in hybrid vehicles, more complex powertrain technology with more parts to maintain, higher maintenance cost for older hybrid vehicles, less power, battery may need to be replaced after several years, accidents from high voltage in battery, limited range compared to petrol vehicles. Hybrid vehicles may not be suitable for off-road driving. Hybrid vehicles may not be as reliable as some of the petrol vehicles. Electric vehicles versus petrol vehicles, which is better to go with? I prefer hybrid vehicles because of these following reasons. They offer the best of both worlds. They combine the benefits of gasoline engine and electric motor to provide better fuel efficiency and lower emission. Hybrid vehicles are also more environmental friendly and than petrol vehicles. They produce fewer greenhouse gases emission and less air pollution. Additionally, hybrid vehicles often have a better performance than petrol vehicles. Hybrid vehicles are also most reliable and require less maintenance than petrol vehicles. They have fewer mechanical parts and are less breakdowns. Although hybrid vehicles are most expensive than petrol vehicles, they offer long-term cost savings. They require less fuel and have low maintenance cost. They are quite a smoother and more powerful. Hybrid vehicles are also often a better driving experience. They are more comfortable and convenient to drivers. Hybrid vehicles are often come with advanced features such as regenerative braking and automated start-stop system. Overall, I prefer hybrid vehicles because they are the best choice for the environmental performance, reliability, and the cost saving. They're also great option for the people who want to reduce the carbon footprints and help to protect the environmental. Hybrid vehicles are becoming more popular and widely available, making them a great choice for anyone in the market for a new car. In conclusion, hybrid vehicles are the way of the future. I would choose them over petrol vehicles any day. Thank you.